Hey, what's up guys, it's Evan here from Odyssey Strength and Conditioning. I'm bringing you a video today on bar placement and your back squat. So there are two styles of squats that we normally see, is more like an Olympic lifting style squat or a more upright torso, also called a high bar squat. And then we have more of a hingy powerlifting style squat called a low bar squat. Now the reason they're called high and low bar is because of where the bar is placed on the shoulder. Now the problem comes when you start mixing up those two. So if you have a high bar position and a low bar style squat, you'll run into trouble. If you try and have a low bar position and a high bar squat, you run into trouble as well. So either way, whichever style of squat you want to choose, what we want to see is that the bar stays over the top of the middle of the foot during the squat, and particularly in the bottom position. So what I'll show you first is a high bar squat. So if I grab a high bar position, then you should notice as I squat down that that bar stays pretty much centered over the middle of my foot. Just like that. So because my torso is more upright, I need a higher bar position in order for that bar to stay centered over the middle of my foot. I'll show you the same thing with a low bar back squat. So I'll take a lower position. This time the bar is more on sort of the spine of the scapula, so that's relatively low. Now in theory, if I did that right, you should be able to see the bar staying centered over the middle of the foot the whole time. Now commonly what we see, particularly when people have problems with the hips shooting up out of the bottom position, or you feel like you're tipping forward, or you're losing contact with your heels on the floor, any of those is a good signal to say that you may want to just work on your bar position. So if I have a low bar or powerlifting style squat and a high bar position, you'll see what happens. So if I take a high bar position, but then I attempt to do a low bar style squat, you can see how the bar starts to get out in front of my toes, and that's where we start getting this problem. You start seeing the heels unloading and the weight feels like it's trying to tip you forward when you're in the hole. So if that's you, then try shifting the bar a little lower down on your shoulders. Normally a low bar squat is going to be somewhere around the spine of the scapula, so where the bony part is on the backs of your shoulder blades. That's quite a lot lower than what you're probably used to if you've been doing higher bar squats. And the only other thing is that you need to have a decent amount of shoulder external rotation to do it, because that low bar position is not always comfortable if you've got any shoulder range of motion limitations. But otherwise, if you've been struggling out of the bottom position with your squat, give that a shot, and if you have any questions, just shoot them in the video below.